Hello everyone. If you are someone who wants to start their own self-hosted blog site but are confused on how to do it, then you have come to the right place. Because in this video, I'll show you how you can start a self-hosted blog from scratch. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnWoo and let's get started. In this video, we will be using WordPress to build a blog site. Now, since WordPress is a self-hosted content management system, you will have to decide on your own for hosting and domain name. Thus, to create a self-hosted blog website using WordPress, first you need to find a hosting service and register your domain before getting started. Now, before that, let's first choose a domain name. Ensure you give a good thought before choosing a domain name for your site. Now, there are several popular domain registrars that will help you register your preferred domain name for your site. Now, below in the description, I have referred a link to one of our articles to find some of the best domain registrars and tips on how you can choose the best one for your site. However, let me first show you how you can register your site's domain name using HostGator. Now, for that, go to HostGator website. The link to this website is also mentioned in the description. Here on the top, hover over to Domains. From the drop-down, select and click on Register Domains. Here on this search bar, enter your preferred domain name and click on Search. Now here you'll get all the available domain names. Select the one that matches your requirement and click on Add to Cart. Here by default, privacy protection will also be added to the cart. Now you can remove it from here. However, I would suggest you to keep it. Once done, click on Continue to checkout. Now here in the first step, enter the details asked and create your HostGator account. However, if you already have an HostGator account, you can simply log into your account instead of creating. Once done, click on Continue. Next here, select your preferred payment option and make the payment. Now, once you have chosen a domain name and registered it, next let's sign up for a hosting service. Now, a hosting service is where your website will be stored, and when a user tries to access it, the web content is provided by the hosting company's service. Now, we will be using HostGator to host your WordPress site as well. Now, we are using HostGator because it offers an exceptional managed WordPress hosting service that will help you ensure great performance consistently for your WordPress site. To sign up for a hosting service with HostGator, go to HostGator website. Now, hover over to Hosting. And from the drop-down, click on WordPress Hosting, since we want a self-hosted blog on WordPress. Choose the suitable plan that you want to go ahead with. You can also click on Compare All Plans to help you select your perfect plan by comparing features offered in all these plans. Here, I'll choose the starter plan. Now, click on Buy Now. You'll be directed to this particular page. Here, you can either register your domain name or enter an already registered one. Since we had already registered our site's domain name, click on I already own this domain from here, and in this box specify the domain name. In the next step, choose the number of blog sites you want and select the packages from here. Next, select the billing cycle from here. Next, enter all your billing information. Enter the personal information and the account details. Next, go to Add Additional Services section and check on the box next to SSL Certificate. Now, why did we select SSL certificates? That's because it's an important aspect that you need to consider before going ahead with the creation of your online site. Now, getting an SSL certificate or secure sockets layer is a security technology that will encrypt the communication between your server and browsers. Now, this will ensure the safety of your site, creating a sense of security among your visitors as well. Now, if you're not using HostGator, you can also get it for free through Let's Encrypt or purchase it from third-party provider like Komodo. Now, below in the description, I have mentioned a link to an article that will help you to know more about different types of SSL certificates and the process of getting it ready for your site. Now, once you've selected that box to get an SSL certificate and all the informations are also entered, scroll down and check this particular box to accept the terms of service and policy. And once that's done, click on Checkout Now. After the successful completion of the payment process, you will see a message something like this. In the next step, we will be installing WordPress. Now, for most popular hosting services, there will be a single-click WordPress installation, which will be different for managed WordPress hosting. However, you can also install WordPress manually using an FTP client software like FileZilla or by using the control panel of your hosting service. Now, if you want to know more about the manual installation process of WordPress, click the link mentioned in the description to an article of how to install WordPress. Now, let's see how you can install WordPress using HostGator. Now, if you have a shared VPN or dedicated hosting service with HostGator, you can use the quick install option to install WordPress. However, with an optimized WordPress or managed WordPress environment, you won't be able to use this option. You can manage optimized WordPress installs and emails from HostGator portal itself. In the portal, you can open WordPress Manager and click Create Blog. In the next screen, you can enter the name of your blog and blog title and click the Add Blog button. The WordPress install will get started and within a few minutes, it will be ready. Once WordPress is installed, sign in to WordPress. Once you are in WordPress backend, this is how it looks. First and foremost, let's select a theme that would be suitable for your blog site. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, Appearance, Themes. Now click on Add New. Now here you'll get plenty of themes for your site. You can also search any other theme from the search bar here. However, choosing the right theme is very important to meet all your requirements for your blogging site. Thus below in the description, I have mentioned a link to one of our articles, 10 best WordPress themes for blogs, to help you choose the right theme. Next, you must ensure that your WordPress blog site has some basic pages. Now to check that, go to WordPress dashboard, Pages, and here you can see all the pages that your blog site must have. You can click on Add New button here to add a new page. Next, enter the details like title. You can also click on this particular plus sign here to add image, video, or any new section or blog, etc. Let's add an image first. Now next, let's enter some details here. Once done, click on Publish. You can also edit the already existing pages by clicking on this particular edit option here. Next, let's see how you can start writing blogs. Now for that, simply go to WordPress dashboard, Posts, Add New. Now here, enter the title of the post. Now enter the entire body of the blog in the next block here. Next, go to the right column here and click on Categories and put this particular post under the right categories that you want. Or if required, you can also add a new category from the Add New Category option here. Next, click on Tags and enter the tags for the post. And then click on Feature Image and upload a feature image for your post here. Now make any other changes if required, and once done, click on Publish. Now if we go to the front end, this is how your blogging site would look like, and this is the post that we had posted some time back. And that was all. So from this video, you can see that starting a self-hosted blog site from scratch using WordPress isn't that difficult. Now, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.